Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE X97 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. Enter it, and thanks to Files app, you've got access to your internal storage, nearby share function, thanks to which you can quickly send and receive files, clean function, thanks to which you can clean junk files from smartphone, and recycled bin. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.